In Hardoi district of Uttar Pradesh, private diesel generators power the rural economy. Noisy, polluting and expensive. The state electricity grid has reached some areas, but there is a chronic shortage of power. Those with connections get only a few hours of supply in a day and almost never during peak hours. Businessman Pradeep Kumar Shukla had to produce his own electricity when he set up a petrol pump near Pipargaon village. The village is 110 kilometers from Lucknow.
जब स्टार्ट किया था तब इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि टोटल जनसेट पे डिपेंड थे और ये मशीनें टोटली जो है फीडिंग मशीनें हैं और कंप्यूटराइज सेटिंग मशीनें हैं सब। ये मैनुअल है नहीं, इनको चलाने के लिए बिजली ही चाहिए, तो उससे बहुत दिक्कतें हुई क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर मशीन को चलाने के लिए जो बिजली चाहिए खंबे से वो नहीं दे सकते थे इससे, लेकिन किसी न किसी से चलाना तो था ही। वो 1 लाख से 1,25,000 रुपये समथिंग में थी एक मशीन के लिए। इन तीनों में लगा रखा था, तीनों मशीनों को चलाने के लिए। और जनसेट जब चलाते थे तो तकरीबन 18,000 पर मंथ का डीजल वेस्ट होता था, हमारा फ्यूल खर्च होता था।
Most of the 60 odd branches of this rural bank in the district depend on diesel power. As do telecom towers, hospitals, colleges, small shops and other businesses. But now that is changing. Renewable energy-based companies are bringing in a clean and reliable solution to these remote villages. One of these companies is OmniGrid Micropower Company or OMC. Founded by 3 former Ericsson employees, OMC set up its first solar power plant in Jangaon village in the district. They received an overwhelming response and today they have 70 plants in Uttar Pradesh. Each plant has a capacity between 50 and 100 kilowatts and each has a grid about a kilometer long. This plant at Pipargaon was commissioned 8 months ago.
The size of this plot will be about 900 square meters on average, which means roughly it is 1/4 of an acre. So in the rural context, this is a very small format, and the technology has advanced so much that you can package a lot of solar power in a panel these days. So which means that you require a smaller footprint. So a size like this is good enough to take you to about 100 kilowatts. A large storage bank here. So here we store power, and every of the plant has about 3,000 ampere hours of storage. When the sun goes away in the evening, the batteries are charged, and the batteries are then able to give energy after sunset. So from here, then energy goes through inverters and rectifiers and is pumped on a 24/7 basis. Here what you see is the coverage area of this plant. That means this is Pipargaon where we are located, but you can then see that in a 5 square kilometer radius around the plant, we are covering so many villages. So these are the names of the villages around this plant, which this plant will keep on expanding.
When this plant's distribution network increases, it will cover nearly 2,000 households and small businesses. Shukla's petrol pump has an OMC solar power connection. Instead of the 18,000 rupees a month he previously spent on diesel, he now spends only 4,000 rupees.
मुझे लग रहा है जिस दिन से ये कनेक्शन हुआ है तो आधी समस्याएं खत्म हो गई हैं। इसे मतलब कह सकते हैं पेट्रोल पंप से पूरी समस्याओं में आधी समस्याएं खत्म। लाइट की तो 100% खत्म। आज 24/7 का कमिटमेंट इनका है, जो प्रॉपर उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं हम।
This rural college is drawing power from the plant at Athroli. A shopping complex is coming up near the Athroli plant. Centered around the promise of uninterrupted solar power supply are ambitious plans to open a cyber cafe and tractor agency. The Jangaon branch of the Grameen Bank of Aryavrat is now an OMC customer.
3,000 के लमसम का 3,300, 3,200, 3,100 और कभी-कभी कम भी बिल आता है। और एक जनरेटर जो हम लगवाएंगे तो 14-15 हज़ार का बियर करना पड़ता है बैंक को, तो बहुत अच्छा। और दूसरा इसमें बड़ा साफ़ सुथरा है, तमाम चीज़ें हैं, ना धुआं ना धक्कड़, और आराम से कोई दिक्कत भी नहीं।
There are many satisfied customers.
खर्चे की भी बेस्ट पे OMC डीजी से ज़्यादा बेस्ट। डीजी में आए दिन कंटिन्यू डीजी चलता है, कभी ग्राहक नहीं है पेट्रोल पंप पे, लेकिन डीजी तो हमेशा चलना है, तो कंजप्शन बढ़ता है, नॉइस पॉल्यूशन बढ़ता है उससे। दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि डीजी में आए दिन फॉल्ट आती है।
काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ है, 24 घंटे लाइट मिलती है, उससे कभी इमरजेंसी आती तो हमको व्यवस्था करनी से जनरेटर रखना पड़ता था हमें। सर्विस ठीक है, अच्छी ठीक है, लेकिन ये 25 यूनिट पड़ रही है, इसमें महंगी पड़ रही थोड़ी।
It all started with what was for OMC a clear business opportunity. There are nearly 5 lakh telecom towers in the country, 50% of them in rural areas. Most of them rely 20 hours a day on diesel generators. Telecom towers are one of the largest consumers of diesel in the country, consuming around 2 billion litres of diesel every year. OMC entered into an agreement with telecom companies, setting up their plants near the telecom towers to provide them solar power.
The platform where I'm standing here, this is the platform where the genset used to be there, which has disappeared now because they are getting 24/7 reliable power from OMC. So in this model, we wanted an anchor load which could be served 24/7 and which provides us a reliable stream of revenue over say the next 10 years for the plant to be financially viable. And from the point of view of telecom towers, the cost of serving these towers by gensets was very expensive and very prohibitive. The generators require maintenance, and you also require to put people out here to manage all that infrastructure. So today if you look at this site, it is completely unmanned. So they have no people, they have no generator.
The company calls it an ABC business model that is viable, sustainable and scalable. A is the anchor load, which are the telecom towers. B denotes the small and medium enterprises, and C is the community, a majority of whom are below the poverty line. The A and B segments help in giving affordable services to the community. Product packages have been designed for each segment in the village. Smart metering allows OMC to prefix loads and timings. The community pays for the subscription in advance, like a prepaid mobile card. One of the packages is just 110 rupees a month, which gives them one 7-watt LED light from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. and a mobile charging socket. A 100-kilometer-long mini-grid has been set up across 7 districts of Uttar Pradesh. Nearly 2,500 of the poorest families are now beneficiaries of the solar-powered light scheme. The village panchayats, the local administration and the state government have extended support to OMC. This is the Athroli crossing, which has about 40 shops and vendors here. Some of them are selling fruits, medicines, peanuts, tea, sweets and what have you. The interesting thing is that they're all linked to the mini grid, which is powered by solar energy.
बिजली आती तो है लेकिन उसका कोई टाइम नहीं है। शाम को पहले से बैटरी से चलाते थे और जब से OMC आ गई है तब से बैटरी का काम बंद होगा, OMC चालू।
Near the crossing, we come across 3 shacks lit by LED lights. In one of them, 18-year-old Manisha is busy at work on a home science assignment. She is a student of the Jagdeshwari Mahavidyalaya.
अभी तो कुछ डिसाइड नहीं किया है, फिलहाल हमारा ग्रेजुएशन हो जाए, इसके बाद टीईटी करना चाहते हैं। अब मम्मी यही चाहती है कि टीईटी कर लो, उसके बाद फिर तो जो भी मम्मी चाहेंगी वही बनेंगे।
कितने महीने हो गए हैं ये लाइट लगे?
3।
इससे कोई फायदा हुआ है?
बहुत फायदा हुआ है। जैसे कि घर में खाना बनाना है वो भी आसानी से बन जाता है, हम लोगों की पढ़ाई है वो भी अच्छी तरीके से हो जाती है। जितने टाइम चाहो उतने टाइम पढ़ाई भी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि 5 से 11 आता है, तो जितने टाइम भी चाहो उतने टाइम आप पढ़ाई भी कर सकते हो, जो भी काम चाहो वो कर सकते हो। कोई अब मतलब प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगी इसमें।
From 24-hour metered supply to the richest individual in the village to a bite-sized package for the poorest consumer, the company has a wide range of services that are relevant to each one. But there is another contradictory reality of families who live at subsistence level and cannot pay 100-odd rupees a month.
पैसे का प्रॉब्लम है, समस्या है बहुत, इसलिए नहीं लिया। प्रॉब्लम का, अब छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, वो मजदूरी करते हैं, वो बहुत समस्या, सब खरीदना पड़ता है, मॉल खेत पात है नहीं।
After the break, private mini grid operators poised for takeoff.